Okay, good morning class. Good morning everyone. Welcome back to third term and hope you're staying safe. So today I am Mr. Rinze. Today our subject is civic education. We're looking at civic education. Now under civic education we'll be looking at traffic regulations. Traffic regulations. Now at the end of this class, what are you expected to know? What are the things you should know at the end of this class? Now, we should be able to define traffic regulations and also traffic signs. We define traffic regulations and traffic signs. Now, two, you should be able to list some traffic regulations. Some of the traffic regulations we're going to talk about here, you should be able to list them. And three, you should be able to identify some traffic signs when you see them on the road or anywhere you come across them. Now, we'll go into the class properly. Now, what is traffic or what are traffic regulations? Now, traffic regulations are the rules and regulations which guide the behavior and action of road users. They are the rules and regulations that guide the action and behavior of road users. When they are on the road, what are those things set in place? What are those rules and regulations that are put in place to guide their usage of the road? Now, that is that. Then we'll move on to traffic signs. Now, what do we know traffic signs are, or what are traffic signs? Now, traffic signs are the signs erected at the side of the road or above the road to give instruction or provide information to road users. They are either placed by the side of the road or above the road to give information. When a car is coming, you'll be able to see the information displayed on those road signs. Now, what are examples of some of the road signs we will see while we are using the road? Now, this is the first sign, or this is a sign which you will see or you may see on the road. Now, this one shows you, when you see a sign like this, it shows you that there is a parking lot ahead or probably beside or somewhere around. There is a parking lot there. Parking lot simply means where you can park your vehicles, your car, or whatever it is you are plying the road with. Now, this one says two-way traffic. Two-way traffic means you have cars coming to and fro. So you should be able to know how to use the road. Don't go into the other lane because cars are coming to and fro. Now, when you see something like this, you can see either 30, 40, 50, 70, 100. Now, this is like the speedometer in the car. Now, this tells you, the speedometer in the car tells you how much speed you are traveling at. Now, when you see this and you see something written underneath, maximum speed should be what? 30. That is the maximum speed at which you should be using that road should be 30 km per hour. Now, when you see this one says no parking. You can see this in some places. You see no parking. So when you see this road sign, you should know that you should not park your vehicle or whatever it is you are plying the road with at a particular point. Now, the last one, this is bend to the left. It shows you that when you get to a particular junction, you should bend or swerve. You should bend to the left. Okay, that is that for the road sign. So quickly, we'll just go back to this. This is parking lots. You see this, you should know there's a parking lot around. This one says bend to the left. Bend to the left. And this one says no parking. No parking. This one says maximum speed should be what? 30. Now, if you see anything like minimum, so your minimum speed on that particular road should not be less than 30. Now, two-way traffic. Thank you very much. Now, what are some of these traffic regulations? Some of these traffic regulations, some of those rules and regulations that has been put in place for us to use the road. Now, do not drink and what? Drive. Do not drink and drive. Mainly, we've attributed that to only alcohol. Yes, do not take alcohol and drive because it can intoxicate. And also, do not drink any form of liquid, be it water, whatever it is. Do not drink and drive because anything can happen in a split second. Now, two, maintain speed limit. Maintain speed limit. If you are asked to run at a speed limit of 30, maintain that speed limit. Like we all know, speed kills. Now, the third one says, avoid answering calls while driving. If you have a call, if you can't park your car to take the call, you either ignore the call. When you get to your destination, you can take the call. So we've looked at traffic regulations under civic education, and also we looked at the definitions of traffic regulation and traffic signs, and also we've seen some traffic regulations which we are to maintain. Now, thank you for this class. I'll see you next class. Please log on to Class Dojo for your homework, and if you have any question, when we come next class, we'll attend to that. Thank you.